All right, guys, excuse my mess, but it's gonna be the coldest start of the year. Well, so far, first cold start of 2021, actually. Got down to like the low 20s last night. It's in the low 30s now. I was kind of lazy this morning, didn't want to get up. So, let's see what the old girl does this morning. Probably not going to be happy about this. That light went off mighty quick. Let's see. Yeah, she's not happy. She's not smoking though. I guess I do some sort of an update. So the other day, I finally got a chance to mount my cup holder over there. Put my footwell light in. I just changed this switch to a 2-position switch. With my footwell lights up that all nice and pretty at night. And then put it all the way up and turn on the driver dome. Courtesy of one of my good buddies, I finally got my strobe light put in. I gotta get a cover for that switch. It was on back order at Bluebird, waiting on it to get here. This bus originally didn't come with a strobe light. Not sure why it didn't, but I don't know if you can see it. Can't really see it in the video, but it's flashing nice and bright. Those are new roof hatches, actually. They had just replaced them. So I would have started both of my buses this morning, but due to unforeseen circumstances on my last trip, the International is still in Tennessee. Cracked the timing cover on the way up there and it's spraying oil everywhere, and I didn't want to drive it back home like that, so I ended up just doing something different. A buddy of mine got me some bottoms and some covers for the seats on this bus because most of my bottoms have seen better days. So I'm gonna get those changed out one day here. Like some of them are really bad. I'm gonna get those changed out here soon, and that'll be that. So yeah, I guess that's it. It's the only update I can do right now. I may or may not have made another bus purchase, so you guys will find out whenever I get it home, as well as my other bus. So thanks for watching.